Day of the Sangh centenary celebrations was attended by Salman Khan and Ranbir Kapoor, as well as filmmakers Mohit Suri, Subhash Ghai, Nitesh Tiwari, Mahavir Jain, Om Rawat, Vikram Malhotra, lyricist Prasoon Joshi, even K. Joe, viewers, was there. Somebody who has been associated or appropriated, I don't know, viewers, by the Lutyens Brigade. On the second day, Akshay Kumar, Vicky Kaushal, actor Ananya Pandey, all of them were in attendance.
Dear viewers, most of us know that Salman Khan is a legendary Indian actor, producer and television personality. Born on December 27, 1965, he has dominated Bollywood for over 3 decades. Since his 1989 breakout, Maine Pyar Kiya, known as Bhaijaan or Sallu, he is famous for blockbuster hits like Hum Aapke Hain Kaun and the Tiger series, blending action, comedy and romance with a massive, enduring and loyal mass appeal. That Salman Khan has a following of millions of people across the world who literally adore him for his contributions to a largely secular or arguably leftist Indian cinema is a fact. Unfortunately, however, he has caused a huge controversy by attending the RSS Centenary Lecture Series in Mumbai as RSS head Mohan Bhagwat addressed the gathering on the Sangh's 100-year journey.
सलमान खान जी क्या पहनते हैं, कॉलेज विद्यार्थी वैसा पहनते हैं। अरे भाई क्यों पहन रहे? नहीं, उन्होंने पहना इसलिए। और उन्होंने क्यों पहना मालूम नहीं। सभी बातों में ऐसा, अच्छी बात बुरी बात सभी बातों में ऐसा फैशन से चलता है। और फैशन उत्पन्न करने वाले लोग होते हैं वो समाज के विश्वास पात्र, श्रेष्ठ, कीर्तिमान ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनको अपनी भाषा में कहते हैं महाजन या श्रेष्ठ।
Dear viewers, the relationship between the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh (RSS) and the Muslims in India is complex, characterized by ideological opposition, historical mistrust, and cautious outreach initiatives. As a right-wing Hindu nationalist paramilitary organization, the RSS advocates for Hindutva, aiming to organize Hindu society and establish a Hindu nation, Hindu Rashtra, which critics argue often lead to the marginalization of minorities, particularly Muslims. M.S. Golwalkar, the second Sarsang Chalak of the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh (RSS) from 1940 to 1973 held views on Muslims that are central to the ideology of Hindutva and the conceptualization of a Hindu Rashtra, Hindu nation. His views, largely articulated in his book We or Our Nation, Nationhood Defined 1939 and Bunch of Thoughts 1966, characterized Indian Muslims, Christians and communists as internal threat, and ideas on Muslims are considered a foundational element of the political ideology of the Sangh Parivar, including the BJP. Dear viewers, be that as it may, a political leader from Maharashtra has accused the RSS of misappropriating the Muslims. Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut has sharply criticized the RSS for publicizing Bollywood actor Salman Khan's attendance at an RSS event, calling it politically motivated and unnecessary. Raut's remarks have triggered fresh political row, with opposition leaders questioning the intent behind highlighting celebrity presence and accusing the RSS of image building amid ongoing ideological and electoral debates.
And shifting focus to some more breaking news. Now Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut has slammed RSS over Salman Khan, inviting Salman Khan, in fact, saying it is publicizing his attendance and that since the country is under the rule of Modi and RSS, if they give an invitation, one has to attend. For more on this, I'm being joined by CNN News 18's Madhuparna Das. Madhuparna, clearly politics has already erupted, with this time Sanjay Raut claiming that RSS is, of course, misappropriating Muslims for their benefit. More on this.
We cannot really comment on a particular politician's statement, but about the RSS, because I have been covering the RSS, I know that RSS has gone to all organizations, all artists, all celebrities, all important functionaries in the society, all political parties, and they generally leave it to their individual choices whether to attend their programs or not to. So when we ask them that, what kind of responses you are getting, they always tell us that, we have extended our invitation and we extend it to everyone everyone who we put their names on the list.
Dear viewers, thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Minia Zabud Zainab Sarfraz Ahmad, Karachi, Pakistan. Ana Zainab Sarfraz Ahmad, Karachi, Pakistan.
का स्वागत है। मैं हूं आरफा खानम शेरवानी। कार्यक्रम में सबसे पहले मैं इस देश के तमाम गरीब मुसलमानों, ईसाइयों तथा कथित पिछड़ी जातियों के लोग और दलितों को ये बताना चाहती हूं कि वो इस देश में बिल्कुल अकेले हैं। वो अकेले हैं न सिर्फ कि इसलिए कि देश के सबसे ताकतवर लोग जो हमारे लिए नीतियां बनाने के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं, वो हमारे खिलाफ नीति बना रहे हैं, बल्कि मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि देश के वो लोग जिनको हम बॉलीवुड स्टार्स कहते हैं, जिनको हम अपने हीरोज कहते हैं, जो हमारे नायक हैं, वो नायक भी उन लोगों से मिल गए हैं या उनके सामने पूरे तरीके से नतमस्तक हो गए हैं। वो लोग जो देश के संविधान को तबाह बर्बाद करने पर तुले हुए हैं। आरएसएस के 100 साल पूरे होने पर पूरे देश में हर्षोल्लास के साथ ये त्योहार मनाया जा रहा है। इस त्योहार में बॉलीवुड के सबसे बड़े सितारे पहुंच रहे हैं। आप सोचिए कि दर्शकों में बैठे हुए हैं सलमान खान, अक्षय कुमार, शिल्पा शेट्टी, रवीना टंडन और देश के सबसे बड़े फिल्म निर्माता और निर्देशक, और सामने बैठे हैं मोहन भागवत, जिनका प्रवचन सुन रहे हैं ये तमाम लोग।